Presenting the Chevrolet 2016 Suburban LT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: enhanced driver alert package, Y86, Max trailering package, preferred equipment group 1 LT, premium smooth ride suspension package, standard suspension package, sun, entertainment and destinations package, 9 speakers and AM/FM radio, Sirius XM. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.